I got a little piggy in here. That's what happens when you walk around the vineyards. Where did your little piggy? Your little piggy. Oh, Roscoe, you sound like a little piggy. You say hi? Yeah, I know you don't. He says, I don't like that camera. It scares the heck out of me. Turn it off. It's okay, buddy. Roscoe, where's your ball? He's all right here.